Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. And guys, today I'm gonna continue yesterday's work, which is to validate email address and as well as validate password. Password fields are same or not. So let's get started. Open text editor. And I think guys you may know these are yesterday's work, okay? And now we have to check that the email address entered by the user is correct or not. Okay, for this operation, come here on the email field, okay? Yes, here. And guys, here we will need to create another if statement, and here we'll have to check x dot value dot match, and this one, and this code word. Guys, these are it's a code simply which checks that the email address is correct or not, okay? And start this if statement section, and here we'll need to say that if x dot value dot match, if email address is correct, then this block of code will be executed. Here we have said that if email input is not empty, then this error will be appear, okay? Email field. And what we need to do here, cut it from here and paste it here, okay? And now if this email is correct, then this block of code will be executed, where I'm gonna write email field, which is here, okay? Email address is not empty and email is valid, okay? But in such a case, when this statement is going wrong, what we'll have to choose, this block of code will be executed. And here I'm gonna write document dot get element by id email invalid, okay? And what is it which I'm talking about? Come here. This one will be like this: span, its id will be email invalid, and class should be empty error, okay? We are using it here. And here I would like to show that email field is not empty, okay? But email address is invalid, okay? Have you got it? And one thing more guys that is left, where were we walking? Yes, here, okay? And here we will have to say that, sorry, here not, it should be here, and document dot get element by id email invalid dot style dot display is equal to none. Okay guys, I think that this process has been finished, and now let's save this file to check output. And one thing more guys which I wish to do here, which is 12 pixel, okay? And here as well 12 pixel, and save it as well. And let's see come into browser and see that what browser tells about this file. Okay, refresh browser first and type here anything, like see that email field is not empty but email address is invalid. Like see that if here I'm gonna write something like, so this would be school and one thing is left, but do dot email.com. Sorry, let's see guys, that error is being cleared and it's saying that email is not empty and email address is valid. Okay, and one thing more which I saw, that is when this field is empty and we start typing, it is being changed, but email.com. okay, that's fine, it's okay guys. And let's come into our next step, which is to ensure that these two fields are correct or not. Like if here I'm gonna write 123 and it's saying that password field is not empty and emoji is happy, but let's see that if I write here any more password, like it doesn't match with this first password. But now it's saying that repeat password field is not empty as well, but I want that if this password field is not matched with this password field, it show the error, like inform the users that you are entering two different passwords. So for this process, let's come on text editor and jump to this file, and in this and here guys we'll need to get these two fields value. Okay, for this we will write get id, sorry, this method not, we will use forms sign up form. Okay, and its field which we want to check, that is first password. Okay, and this one as well, dot value, and do the same with next, which is last password value. Okay, is equal to document dot, sorry, forms sign up form and last password dot value. Okay, and here how we can use these two steps. Okay, we will use them here. Okay, if first password value is equal to last password value, you know guys, we have create a condition, you know, when first password value, you know, like this field's value is equal to this field's value, then this block of code will be executed. And here I'll let a condition, sorry, statement, which is document dot get element by id same passwords dot style dot display equal to block. Okay, and what is it, by the way? Let's see. Sorry, we may use it simply And one thing more is to do, that is repeat password failed. Okay, not matching, but okay. And this will be empty error. We may use its CSS text, okay. And this one will be not same passwords, okay. And it will also be changed at 45. And this one will be changed same passwords, okay. Matching, okay. And come here, this one will be block. And you know guys, when this statement will be wrong, then this else block of code will be executed, and here I'll write its opposite, which is will be none, and this one will be block. And this one will be not same passwords. Okay guys, save this file to see what browser tells about this file. Okay, save it first by pressing Ctrl plus S simply, and come in the browser. First guys, you will have to refresh, and now I'm gonna write here 1 2 3. Okay, it's saying that password field is not empty, and emoji is happy, and now I'm gonna write here 1. Okay, 2. You can see guys that repeat password field is not empty, but passwords are not matching. When I'm gonna type here 3, you can see guys that this statement is being changed into repeat password field is not empty and passwords are matching. Okay, and as you can see guys that this is also working, that email field is not empty but email address is invalid. And when I write here a email.com, it is being changed into email field is not empty and email address is valid. Okay guys, I think that this video has been completed, and thanks for watching. And one thing more guys, that if you have any question regarding this video or anything else in your mind, you may ask in the comment section below, and I'll teach you as you will want. Okay guys, thanks for watching and goodbye.